There are many activities that can help children with ADHD manage their symptoms and improve their overall functioning. Let's discuss one by one. 1. Physical exercise, regular physical activity to create a positive impact on attention and behavior such as team sports, martial arts, or playing outside. 2. Creative arts, activities such as drawing, painting, or sculpting can help children with ADHD channel their energy and focus their attention. 3. Music, learning a musical instrument or participating improve ADHD children's focus, as well as their coordination and sense of rhythm. 4. Mindfulness and meditation, these practices can help children with ADHD manage stress, reduce impulsivity, and improve overall well-being. 5. Outdoor activities, engaging in activities such as hiking, camping, or gardening can help children with ADHD connect with nature and reduce stress. 6. Problem-solving activities, games and puzzles that require focus and attention can help children with ADHD improve their cognitive skills and attention. 7. Structured physical activities, such as dance, gymnastics, or martial arts can provide a structured environment to improve coordination and attention. It's important to find activities that interest the child, as they will be more likely to engage and benefit from them. Encouragement and support from family, friends, and teachers can also play a significant role in helping children with ADHD succeed in their activities. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe Kido Minyo channel.